So this is Gigabyte graphic card AORUS GeForce RTX 3080 Master 12G, and let's check the deep specification of this graphic card. So first we can see this is the socket number, Gigabyte socket number GeForce RTX 3080, and this is clock speed, core clock speed 1830 megahertz and reference 1710 megahertz, and CUDA core which is 8960, graphic card clock speed 19,000, graphic card max size limit 12 GB, and graphic card types of GDDR6X, and graphic card bus speed which is transfer data to graphic card to VRAM. This is used for bus, so 384-bit, and this is your graphic card speed 912 GB per second, and this is your bus card number you can see, which is connect to your motherboard, this graphic card PCI 4.0x16, and this is your max resolutions of display resolutions 7680 into 4320, and this is a power supply require 850 watts required this graphic card, 8 pin 3 and 3 DP port, 2 HDMI which is 2.1, and 1 HDMI more which is 1.0.